This year we want to recognize an extraordinary investigative journalist, Andy Schneider, who tragically passed away in February of 2017. Many of you here will recognize Andy's name. He was fierce, he was brash, he was vigilant and tenacious. He was a friend to so many of us. He was a friend to those in Montana, to those in DC, and to us around the nation. Andy's work could be seen in regional and national papers like the Seattle PI, but also on bookshelves. He wrote The Air That Kills and actually updated that book with The Air That Still Kills.
Andrew Schneider was a perfect example of the power that media and journalists can have in bringing awareness out there. To have somebody that sees the cause and puts out the facts and the evidence and makes people aware is so important.
It was important for Andy, for the government, for lawmakers and agencies to take responsibility to do something about the hidden dangers that Andy had discovered and reported about. In 2009, ADAO had the honor of having Andy give our keynote speech in Manhattan Beach.
What the world needs is more heroes in the world of public health on every aspect, from families of patients to the public health nurses, to the industrial hygienists, to the physicians, all of you. They need more of you doing what you've done so long and must continue to do.
This man had taken on the challenge of telling the real story, the investigative story about asbestos. Andy was on the front line of public health and environmental stories, more than just asbestos, and he made a difference in everything he did. Andy had a mark of distinction. He did so much with the power of his pen. He's left us with a legacy of work that we can continue to refer to and learn from. And Andy will be forever